Ah, here we go, here we go. Something's happening. Alright, well that's better than before. That's better than before. We're getting something out of this. There's a dude with hair that looks like mine, and then now more people doing stuff. Alright, so maybe we'll be able to do a proper like walkthrough of this game. Um, okay, well, it's working. It's working. We are no longer defeated by this. Well, this is what's making it run. We're no longer defeated by this. So I don't know what happens if you press X or something. Okay, here we go. Can I do anything? Okay, it allows me to move around. Okay, so the
Likey